Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We all know how intimidating ACCA exams can be, but do not worry, I've got you covered. I've made a list of 5 things you must do before every ACCA examination, and this will help you boost your confidence and your marks. The first one being the most obvious one, exam kit and revision. You should get started with the ACCA exam kit during or as soon as you're done with your lectures. This will help you get familiar with exam type of questions, and the more you practice, the more confident you'll be. One quick tip, every time you get a question wrong, mark it and make sure you come back to it later to save if you make the same mistake again. As for section C questions, I would really advise you to do it on a ACCA CBE platform and not on your register. Now, I personally use both BPP and Kaplan Kit for my practice, and you can do so too if you have enough time. But having said that, doing one kit is more than enough. Now, you should always keep at least 1 or 2 hours aside for revision. What you can do during this time is you can actively recall the details of the topic you've studied before. Number 2 on the list are technical articles. You can find them on the ACCA's website under Student Support Resources under the Student section. You can opt for the paper you are going to give, but since I am going to give financial reporting, I'm going to brief you through the financial reporting section. For those of you who do not know what technical articles are, it's an article written by the ACCA examining team. So these contain summary of the topics split by syllabus sections. It also includes different examples of questions that student might have difficulty facing. For example, for the financial reporting paper, there are different technical articles in IFRS standards like revenue, leases, etc. And there are also technical articles for consolidation, final accounts, and interpretations. Here, the examining team not only gives the summary of the subject but also mention common errors students made in this topic. Number 3 is past papers and examiner reports. Solving past paper is a crucial part of your exam preparation, and doing so helps you to know exactly what type of question you will face in the examination and how to deal with them. After attempting the past paper, you can find the examiner report of that paper under the examiner report section. Here, the examining team comments on the candidate's performance in the paper and also offers advices to those sitting for the future exams. So number 4 is familiarize yourself with the CBE platform. Here you can assign yourself with past exams, practice exams, specimen exams, and there is also a blank workspace for you to practice your section C questions on. Before a week or 2 of your exam, you should sit for at least 2 mock tests on CBE platform on a time basis. This will help you to evaluate your preparation for the exam and will also give you enough time to focus on weaker areas if you find any. Do not attempt any mocks last minute, because if you underperform, then that will only lower your confidence for the actual exam. If you have not practiced your CRQs in the blank workspace, that is the Excel and the Word, it is very important that you at least familiarize yourself with these platforms. I personally like to practice my section C questions on the blank workspace and later copy paste it to Excel for my future reference. And the last one is practice to pass webinars. This webinar held by ACCA includes revision and question practice on core topics, tips and techniques for exam, Q&A sessions, etc. And if that is not enough, it's completely free of cost. You can attend these webinars live by registering, or you can also access the past recordings through the ACCA website. Now, since you managed to stick to the end of the video, I would also like to give you a bonus tip, and this is something many ACCA students are not aware of. ACCA VLC, that is ACCA Virtual Learning Center. We all know some papers require us to have knowledge and concept of another paper, like F7 requires us to have concepts of F3, F5 and F2, etc. Now ACCA Virtual Learning Center has a Get Ready module which has quizzes to help us test our knowledge and also has knowledge recap to brush our concepts. For example, for the paper Financial Reporting, it includes a knowledge recap and quizzes of the things we have learned in F3 like financial statements, IFRS standards, etc. This helps us prepare our F7 efficiently. With this, we come to the end of the video. Now, these were some of the things that I consistently do before every exam to secure myself a passing mark, and you can do. If you have any other queries regarding ACCA and ACCA studies, feel free to comment it down below. Do subscribe to my channel for further such videos and to follow me along my ACCA journey.